What is going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Mama Mav. I am so happy to have you here with me today. Today, y'all, we are cooking a turkey spaghetti. This spaghetti is mouth-watering. It is so delicious, packed full of flavor, and there is only a few ingredients in this. So before we jump into those ingredients, if you have not already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you learned something in this video, go ahead and give your girl a like. And if you have ideas on what I should cook next, leave that in the comment below. Now, without further ado, let's jump into it. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure that our skillet is heated up. I'm using a cast iron pan. It's actually kind of like a, what do you call it? A Bunsen, not a Bunsen burner. It's a Dutch oven. Oh, God. I'm using a Dutch oven. So just make sure you have some oil in the bottom of that pan, that whatever you're using. Since I'm using a cast iron kind of pan, you just want to make sure it's heated up before you add any of your ingredients into it. And the only thing I've added so far is some chopped up onions and a chopped up green bell pepper, just to add to that flavor of our spaghetti. All gonna come together perfect, especially with just these two items right here. It just gets your dish started off just right. We're gonna cook those down until they're translucent. And once they're translucent, we're gonna go ahead and throw in our minced garlic. Y'all already know, if this is not your first time being here, your girl loves garlic. Her family loves garlic. It's a great flavor that you can just add to any and everything, and it's not going to hurt your dish. It's only going to enhance it. So we're just going to give that some good stirs. We're just going to make sure everything is incorporated together and let it simmer some more. The next thing that we're going to add is our turkey meat. Now, it's up to you what percent of turkey meat you want to use. I do believe this was like, nope, I don't know, y'all. I ain't even going to lie to you. I do not know what percent of meat this was, but it is turkey. So I'm just throwing it in there, mixing it up, getting those onions and bell peppers and garlic incorporated into the meat. And now you see our seasonings. These are the seasonings that we are going to be using to just enhance our dish. And it's only a few. I told you, y'all, this dish has only a few ingredients and the flavor is just outstanding. So the first thing that you saw me add is some garlic. Now I'm going to hit it with some Creole Seasoning. And remember, turkey is a little bit more difficult to get flavor into, so you just want to maybe be a little bit more heavy-handed on your seasoning when it comes to turkey. So I am going a little heavy on my seasonings. And y'all already know, I always tell you, let your heart guide you on how much seasonings you want to put in there. But like I said, turkey needs a little bit more help catching the flavors. So as you can see, my seasonings are piling up a bit. And we're just going to give that another stir. We're going to let it simmer in the pan and just let it all get loved together, marinated together before we add in our spaghetti sauce. Now, you can use whatever spaghetti sauce you feel. I didn't show a picture of mine because, you know, they ain't giving your girl no money to shout them out. So why shout them out? But I use spaghetti sauce, so whatever spaghetti sauce y'all want to use, feel free to use it. And you want to go according to how much meat you have is how much spaghetti sauce that you'll use. Don't forget to cook your noodles in a super salty water bath. You want to taste like ocean water, y'all. And you want to have some splashes of oil in that water so your noodles don't stick. And here we are to the final product, y'all. We are just plating it up, making it look as beautiful as it can. Making sure our dish is wiped off and clean. And then the toppings I didn't mention before, but go ahead and get you some Parmesan cheese to throw on top of there, or whatever kind of cheese you like to have with your spaghetti. And I'm also going to throw some parsley on top of there just to give it a little extra kick of color. And there you have it, y'all. We did it. Our dish is complete. There it is, looking beautiful. Before this video is over, if you have not already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you learned something in here, hit that like. And until next time, y'all, I love you like always.